This message has been transmitted in the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 3 a.m., NASA detected a large object in Earth's orbit falling into the atmosphere. It is unknown what the object is, or if it is dangerous, but they advise all residents of the United States to pay attention to news and media updates. This message has been transmitted in the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. At 3 a.m., NASA reported a large object falling into Earth's atmosphere, and it has been confirmed that the object is the International Space Station. It is expected to make impact in Ridgway, Colorado, in 30 minutes. All residents within a 20-mile radius of Ridgway, Colorado, and urged to seek a underground shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more news and media updates.